Target practice, baby.
What's up, Charter fam? Hopefully everybody's having a good day out there. This video here, we were taking a look at Deck Screener a little earlier, and we actually found two tokens that will probably bring to your attention. And we have one more token that I actually found that looked pretty interesting, but I did not act on it. I just took a glance at it, so I actually left the chart up for us to take a look at, okay? Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and here we go, all right? So the first token that I was looking at, it's going to be called PBJT. That's going to be the ticker symbol. So let's go ahead and punch that up. PBJT. Okay, which stands for peanut butter and jelly time. This token, kind of got a little laugh out of it a little earlier. It was looking really nice earlier, and now, obviously, you can see that it has just died off in typical meme coin fashion here. Let's go to the market cap, see what's going on here. Looked like the token had its run and then it dropped. It actually ran all the way to about the 54K mark and then it pulled back to about almost 3K. So this token really did not go anywhere at all. Let's go ahead and grab the token contract. Actually, you guys can see I kind of pulled it up a little earlier. Let's paste it there. Hit our check. Let's see what so low liquidity, low amount of LP providers. Now, this didn't say this earlier, okay? The highest wallet in here earlier was somewhere around 2 or 3%, 2%, something like that. So we see some definite changes within this since earlier. So now Radium Funky Tail has 58.69%. So I actually would go ahead and leave this token alone, but I think that that's interesting because earlier's risk analysis looked completely different, okay? So we won't worry about this anymore. We'll go ahead and just get him out of here, and let's go to the next token here. The next token that I was looking at that I think is still alive is going to be called Whiskey Coin, okay? And I know that these alcohol coins, normally they don't really work out too swell. But let's see here. Let's see if we can get some kind of respect going on here. Let's see. Whiskey might have to, because that doesn't look like it's it. Let's see. I think it's this one. 9 ounce. Yeah, this is the one here. Okay, so this is gonna be Whiskey Coin. Wait a minute, let's pop back really fast just to double check to make sure that we got the right one. So this is, yep, we had the right one. Okay, so we have another one. That's something that you guys got to be careful. These new pairs, they come and there's a chance that they go. Okay, and you have to just kind of maybe vet them for just a little while and kind of see what's going on, see what the chart's gonna do before you guys start dumping bags off into these tokens. So this token actually ran all the way up to, let's jump up onto the market cap here. It's 19K liquidity and it is locked. Let's go ahead and grab the token contract before we do anything else. We're gonna click here. We're gonna leave it here in our token address. We'll go ahead and paste that. Hit our check. All right, we still have good risk analysis here on the Whiskey Coin. LP is locked, 99.84%. See, Radium has 27% now. I don't know, maybe when they bought earlier, maybe when I checked the token out earlier, these percentages were not this high. So maybe they're doing, I'm not really too sure how Radium acquires shares. I don't know if they just buy shares like everybody else, but it seems to me that when earlier when I checked this out, I'll say Radium did not have, just like the other coin that we just looked at, that PB&J time, there was not 27%, because if I would have seen that, I would have just exited out. I would have got up out of here, because Radium, they sell, you know what I mean? Like, once they start selling, it just moves the charts too much. So we just kind of leave that alone, right? So what I don't like about it is Radium has 27%, it's a 4% wallet, 2%, almost 2% here. So let's go ahead and go back here. And as you can see, the chart has ran all the way. It actually got up to about 4.64 mil, and then it's pulled back since then all the way down to that 31K mark. 17K liquidity, 31K fully diluted website. Let's just take a look. You know, the chart has pretty much died down. I would not buy any of these tokens right now. Whiskey Coin tokenomics 123 billion, so that's almost 90 billion. No tax. Initial LP 100% supply 10 sold. They have a little story, a little roadmap going on. Join the community today. Just because the actual chart looks like crap now does not mean that it won't pick back up. But, you know, you're going to have to just kind of keep your eyes on it. So what we're going to do is we'll keep our watch list popping right now, and then we'll check on that in a couple days to see if the token is actually still alive. There's still plenty of room to get in. Yeah, sure, you want to get in now because it seems like it's at the bottom, but it could actually go lower. So you want to make sure that, you know, there's going to be some kind of floor. You want to wait till you see some kind of life in the token. The volume is 9.5 million right now. Within the last, see, look at this, it's down on the 6 hours, down 84%. On the 1 hour, it's down 16, almost 17. In 5 minutes, we're down 35.92%. So you see a lot of selling going on here, right? So we're gonna go ahead and just pop off here, and we have to just keep our eyes on Whiskey Token if you plan on getting in later. So there's a website, Twitter, Telegram, all that stuff. We're not even gonna click on it because the chart is so horrible right now. But you guys can check back on that a little later, okay? This is gonna be the actual last token, and this token I found on Photon a little earlier, and it was moving. It was just a damn question mark. So I thought that was interesting. But this actually, you can see it had its run. When it had a little kind of a rough start, it got to about that 97K mark, and it pulled, I bet this fooled a lot of people. It pulled all the way down to, shoot, about 529 bucks. Wow. So if you happen to accumulate here, see, this is the same thing like for peanut butter and jelly time, okay? Peanut butter and jelly time pulled all the way down. It was now at, like, I think it's at 20 something K, and it's flat. Now look, this is the same thing, okay? We are on the 1 minute chart. It was flat down here at around, or maybe 8 o'clock, somewhere around there, whatever the case may be. And then it pulled all the way up to about that 291K mark, and then it shot back down. You see it just wicked up, but hopefully you guys were able to pick up any dollars that have anything to do with this token. But it's pulled back now, and now we're pretty low. So it was moving a little earlier. The volume is about $104, so this token's pretty much done for. But earlier it was kind of running, and I thought it was a little interesting, and like I just seen it and I kind of left it up. But yeah, these are the 3 tokens that I was kind of looking at. All of them are pretty much gone. I would not purchase these tokens right now. You can kind of see in this Whiskey Coin, you see all these buy orders that are coming in. They're trying their best to pull it up. Look, they got a 49, you got a 16, a 50, $127 buy order. Look at the holders here. Like I said, someone right here has 31.58% of the supply. See, things changed a whole lot within this token, because earlier these numbers were a lot lower. So, you know, that's okay. That's kind of the meme coin game. That's how it goes. Whiskey Token is on Solana. You guys can find these plays on Deck Screener. This question mark play was actually on Photon, but it's dead anyway, so we really don't have to worry about that. You guys let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. I'm out.